You can see that this piece of wood is not able to be set from any angle. But this chainsaw art is done on wood. A new talent has emerged by doing this beautiful art. Can you see it? So simple, easy work. Our page promotes creativity and innovation and showcase you with the best content about creative crafts and innovative items manufacturing. Enjoy the content and share your opinions with us through comments. Thank you for watching, and more videos visit my page and like, share and comment. Thank you.